DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just got a very rare Mercedes C-Class AMG. It's in petrol, so all ULEZ compliant. It's the AMG Sport. Absolutely lovely top specification, finished in gleaming black with the AMG body styling kit, front park distance control, AMG 5-spoke alloy wheels, very rare panoramic roof, rear park distance control. It's got the full AMG body styling kit on it. As you can see, it's got the larger rear diffuser at the rear with the twin exhausts. C200, absolutely gleaming in the sun. It's got an electric rear tailgate. Lovely unmarked boot with the rear parcel shelf. It's complemented with full black leather interior, white stitch piping. It's got electric memory seats, heated seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, power folding mirrors. Interior's in lovely condition. Start the car up. Starts lovely, sounds lovely. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's got satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate control, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music, full media pack, DAB radio, different driving styles here, Sport individual eco, side got the glove, and we've got USB, SD cards, electric tilt and slide panoramic roof. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.